TikTok can be a great way of boosting your e-commerce business and promoting it to many people. But if you're new to TikTok, it can be tricky to understand how to do this effectively. Today, we will share the top tips for beginners to use TikTok for their e-commerce business. Let's get started. Number 1. Why is TikTok good for e-commerce? TikTok is great for promoting all kinds of businesses. It is the most used app in the world, with an estimated 8 billion users. So with many people out there to reach, TikTok has become one of the most important places for promotion. If you aren't sure what TikTok is, it's a social media platform that allows users to upload and share short videos up to 3 minutes in length, covering many topics. Seriously, grab the app and browse. There's so much going on. The trends-based way that TikTok works means that you can spot the next big craze, and if you create the right video at the right time, you can go viral, skyrocketing your followers and viewers overnight. It is also possible to use TikTok to directly sell your e-commerce products through sites like Shopify. All of this means it is a no-brainer to start using TikTok to promote your e-commerce business. Number 2. How to use TikTok hashtags to boost your e-commerce business. Creating great TikTok videos is one thing, but getting people to actually watch them is a harder task. But with the right use of hashtags, you'll be able to bring your content to the users who actually want to see it. Just like Instagram and Twitter, TikTok has a hashtag feature, which lets users search for content and join communities based on similar interests. These hashtags help users to quickly find creators and content they're interested in without having to sift through hundreds of videos on their For You or homepage. If you head into the search feature in TikTok, you can search for hashtags based on the products you sell. You can then see what other users are posting using these hashtags and begin using them in your own videos. When you post a video on TikTok, you can type in the hashtag you want to add to your video. It's great to add a handful of relevant hashtags to every video you make, both ones relevant to your business and also trending ones that fit your theme. This will help you reach the people interested in your products easily. Number 3. Using TikTok to sell e-commerce products directly. It's not only brand marketing that TikTok can be good for either. It is possible to share links to your products right there in your TikTok videos that people can buy without leaving the app. This means that you are able to show off a product you sell in a video on TikTok and link right to the page people can buy it from. Once you have verified your business, it allows you to list products right there on TikTok. Please make sure you read the TikTok Shop terms of use on what products are and aren't allowed on the platform, as every product must be approved. Once you have products set up in your catalog, it's as easy as adding a link straight to the product from a TikTok video, and you can even add multiple products to a single video. This is a really great tool to use TikTok to sell your e-commerce products. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and watch the next video to learn more.